To use our comparison tools, head to the website and click on Compare Products at the top of the screen. Scroll down to find the comparison tool that you wish to use. When you land on the page, if you're on mobile, you will see 2 drop-down menus. If you're on desktop, you will see 3. Use the menus to select which products you wish to compare. You'll be able to see the design, features, standard heights, climb resistance rating, finishes, standard colours and common applications for each product side by side. When you have made a decision, you can scroll back up to the top and select any of the products to find out more about them.